Here at John Deere, the best just keeps getting better. Whether moving hay bales for livestock, roadside mowing, or pushing snow, with heavy-duty frames, axles, efficient engines, and durable transmissions, you get more value. We have taken a solid, market-proven utility tractor and made it easier to perform any job on the property or around the farm. These versatile 5E tractors are the right choice for better performance.
A factory-installed loader prep package increases this tractor's versatility, especially when paired with the H240 loader to take on any job in all kinds of weather. With 3,549 pounds of lift capacity at full loader height, this tractor-loader combo can pick up and move heavy loads quickly. With the addition of our new 2412 power reverser transmission, we have increased efficiency in field applications and transport. You now get even more speed ranges to handle any task. Shift from high to low via push buttons on the gear shift lever. No clutching is required, so you get easy forward-reverse shifting, extended clutch life, and more operating comfort. And with a 33% increase in top speed, you'll get more done in less time. We know that when operating a loader, visibility is a big deal. The new sloping hood and raised operator platform on cab models give you 3.6 feet of extra visibility in front of the tractor. Better sight lines means higher operator efficiency and comfort when performing many repetitive tasks with a loader. We've also made new design changes to the control pod and the instrument panel for easier monitoring and operating control. On the open operator station tractors, the pod that includes the throttle, PTO, SCV, hitch, and draft control is now on the right side for easier access. Now with the new LCD instrument cluster, you can see ground speed, PTO speed, and engine hours all at the same time. In addition, you can now view important indicators such as PTO target bar, power reverser position, high-low indicator, and warning lights. And remember, the roll mode switch is included to cycle through diagnostic codes. Not only is this LCD lit screen easier to read in a full range of lighting conditions, the panel layout allows better access to new electro-hydraulic four-wheel drive controls, lighting, key switch, and turn signals. Other operator comforts have also been included. A new cup holder makes it easy to take coffee or a cold beverage along. Put your jacket, along with tools or other items, on the newly designed flat seat base of our open operator station tractors.
Key design features built into these new 5E tractors are ease of maintenance and increased uptime. A tractor that is not on the job loses time and money, so these tractors are the right choice for more uptime.
The new slide-out condenser, radiator screen, tiltable charge air cooler, and slide-out oil cooler allow you to quickly access the cooling system components to clean debris with no tools. If it's easy to clean, it will get cleaned, so you'll never lose time with an overheated engine in tough conditions. Attaching rear implements to the 3-point hitch is now easier than ever. With the new standard sway bars and telescoping draft links, no tools are required to attach or detach implements. That's going to be appreciated when hooking up heavy implements that can match the rear hitch lift capacity of over 3,200 pounds. If you're working after the dinner bell and into the evening, you can now enjoy the new high-output LED work lights that are a field-installed option on our cab models. The light intensity from the 2 front and 2 rear corner mounts is much brighter compared to halogen lights. They help you get more work done long after sunset. Downtime in the hayfield is not an option when you only have the weekend to get hay baled. The new John Deere 5E 4-cylinder with our spring-loaded regeneration switch makes it all automatic on the go, minimizing parked regenerations and maximizing uptime. Cost of operation is also a reason these tractors are the right choice. Economy PTO comes standard on all 5E 4-cylinder transmissions. It lets you reduce engine RPMs down to 1,700 with full PTO speed for many applications. This can reduce fuel consumption up to 20% per hour of operation, depending on the model and load. That's not all. Save money on maintenance as well. The new John Deere 5E 4-cylinder offers best-in-class service intervals. That's up to 1,200 hours between hydraulic fluid and filter changes. But there's more. 85% of the 5E tractors are sold with loaders. Save money on the purchase price of a new 5E 4-cylinder tractor with a factory-installed loader prep package. It includes all mounting frames and a hood guard. This saves dealer prep time, which saves you time and dollars. Also, save money when you add hydraulic versatility and capability. Why replace when you can stack? Customize with stackable mid and rear selective control valves. Instead of having to change out an SCV block to add another hydraulic valve, you now have a simple upgrade at a low cost.
Features, overall capacity, versatility, purchase price. It's all important, but don't overlook lower operating costs. When you add it all up, you'll see that the new John Deere 5E 4-cylinder is the right choice.